Asterisk. Hey everyone, Graham Stephan here. Today, I'm breaking down a revolutionary proposal that could put more of your hard-earned money right back into your pocket. No taxes on overtime pay. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Asterisk. So, what exactly is tax-free overtime? Imagine this. You work extra hours, and instead of the government taking a hefty chunk, you get to keep every dollar. This isn't just a wild idea. Countries like Australia and France are already doing it. In France, they slashed overtime taxes from 30% to just 10%. Result? A 12% boost in manufacturing productivity. And in Australia, essential workers like nurses get to keep 100% of their overtime pay during crises. These changes have made a world of difference. Asterisk. But what could this mean for us here in the US? Let's paint a picture. With the current system, overtime is taxed just like regular income, meaning you might think twice before taking on those extra hours. But under the new proposal, imagine working that overtime, taking home more pay, and finally being able to buy those groceries or save for a family vacation without worrying about a higher tax bracket. According to Pew Research, 55% of US workers say they'd work more overtime if taxes were lower. That's a massive shift. Asterisk. Now I know what you're thinking. What about the budget? Critics argue it could cost the government $1.7 trillion over the next decade. But a nonpartisan study suggests that economic growth could offset 80% of that loss. Plus, think about the benefits. More disposable income means more consumer spending, which helps businesses thrive and creates jobs. Asterisk. So, what's the next step? It's simple. Take action. Contact your representatives and let them know you support policies that reward hard work. Share this video to spread the word and let's make a difference together. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.